Hi everybody. In today's video we are going to talk about whether you should move to Google Meet or you should keep using Zoom. So watch the video till the end and I will feature out the best 10 comparison points between these two apps. So watch the video till the end. Hi, welcome back. My name is Shekhar. I'm the founder of Alphasonic Phonics and Reading Program. We are a phonics teaching company and we teach children right from 2 years to 6 years. And since we are doing a lot of online trainings nowadays, so we have tried both Google Meet and Zoom for trainings to our children. Now in this video, I'm going to list out 10 best points between both the apps which will help you to understand or can help you to judge which software you should go for depending on your needs. Okay, so let's start. So the first point that I want to highlight in Google Meets and Zoom is Whiteboard. Now since we are teachers, trainers, okay, we need a lot of whiteboard. Even if you want to show how to write an alphabet, or you want to show the addition, subtractions, so you need a whiteboard access. In Zoom there is a built-in whiteboard feature, but in Google Meet there are two different apps that you can use to do the whiteboard feature. So this is the first difference. Whiteboard in Zoom is inbuilt, but in Google Meets you need to open another app. So you need to do a training of another app. That's the first comparison that we felt that we should do. The second is about recording feature. Now since we are a training company and we do observations for our teachers, and this all is new, this is online now. So the teachers are also learning the software, they are having their own issues. In Zoom there is a recording feature. So every session that my teacher is taking, we are recording those sessions so that we can give them feedback, and we also understand that what we need to do to improve in the next class. But in Google Meets there is no recording feature yet. So that can be a problem. Okay, so Zoom has a recording feature, Google Meet doesn't have a recording feature. The second that we want to compare is about participant windows. Okay, Google Meet, yes, definitely it gives you participant windows, but it's limited. Wherein in Zoom, you have up to 49 windows you can open at one time. Yes, definitely your class size is not going to be 49, but even when you open participant window, your window in Google Meet becomes very tiny. Okay, now in Zoom that's not the case. In Zoom you can adjust your window, you can pin your window. There are a lot of other features in Zoom which you can do, so that helps you to navigate very nicely. So in preschool, or if you can say in school or in teaching, it's very important that we navigate the windows properly, because which child to do mute. If you want to do an interactive class, it's very important that you have controls faster. So Zoom helps you to do that, mute, unmute, pin the video, non-pinning the video. All these features are very handy in Zoom. Okay, let's talk next about the interference. Interference is how is the software. Yes, definitely Google has done a good job here. They have made it very simple, and you can just log in from your email. That's the best thing. You don't need to download an app. At the same time, yes, Zoom is also a very neatly built interference. It is very simplistic, it's very simplistic, and at the same time, by now I think most of this has already gone through the learning curve of both the softwares. So this is, I would say, Google Meet here has done a better job of making a more simpler software and making it very easy. Next is about sound sharing. Now this is one of the most important features. Since we teach to a lot of small children, we have a lot of sound sharing. We have a lot of rhymes, we have a lot of games that we do on the screen with children, and we do a lot of sound sharing. We also share a lot of interactive videos. Now this was a problem in Google Meet. When we did the sound sharing or a video sharing on Google Meet, there was a lot of lag. There was a lot of discrepancy in the sound. Okay, but when we did it with Zoom, okay, and I'm talking about a sample size of more than 5 to 10 classes. Okay, it's not just 1 or 2 comparisons. 5 to 10 classes we have compared with both the apps. Zoom was much better, okay, and it was more smooth in Zoom. So I think here I will give full points to Zoom. They have done a better job in sound sharing. The next and the most important aspect that we have is about price. Okay, yes, Google Meet is free. It's free till 30th of September, unlimited meetings. And Zoom, yes, definitely you have to pay a price. But when we compare it to to the fees that you used to charge to the parent, okay, to compare to what you are going to pay here for the whole month, I think it doesn't make any sense. All we as educators need to focus is on to give the quality to the parent, and we should not negotiate that. So if just for $15, if you're thinking that you should go for a Google Meet, I think you should consider on that. Okay, and down also there are links if you want to do a complete Zoom training for your school. Okay, you can just ping me and I will do a complete Zoom training for your school absolutely free of cost. It's a free webinar that I keep on hosting to educate the preschool teachers and to educate schools how to do an efficient and interactive Zoom trainings for your children. The next that we can do is about host control. I felt in Zoom, host has a lot of more controls, okay, to make somebody a co-host, to make 3-4 co-hosts. So even if the internet connection goes off one host, the other host can manage the whole class. Now, this was something that I think Google could have done a better job. So I think that is one plus where Zoom has taken it. Next is about the limit of participant. I think both are same, both are going in hundreds, both the software are giving 100 participants. Okay, security. Okay, now when you say something is free, okay, and we know Google has a history of maps, of searches, they have a data, they are already a data company, they work a lot on data, they are also into ads. So yes, I really don't want to say you guys are more smart to make a choice. Something you are getting for free. I always feel if you're getting something for free, something like Facebook, you are the product. Map, they are tracking you day in and day out. Searches, they want to know what are you searching. Okay, so when you get something free, you become the product. All right, now Google Meet comes absolutely free of cost. Okay, where in Zoom you have to make a payment. So again, as I said, go back to the comparison. What are you paying to give the experience to your parents? That's going to be the most important thing. The experience to the child of what he is learning is going to be the most important element in deciding that. So I think that's the comparison. So you have to make a choice of where you want to go. Do you want to stick to Zoom, which our teachers are being trained or they have been doing since last 1 month or so, or you want to go for Google Meet? So how did you like the video? I want to know in the comments. Also, if you liked the video, do share it, subscribe my channel. And we also have a page called Preschoolers India on Facebook. The link is given below. You can join that page. So we keep on updating a lot of stuff for preschoolers. All right. So thank you so much for watching the video.